Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the video tutorials of codeandtest.com. In this video, we'll learn text formatting in HTML. Okay. We have already learned few formatting tags like headings, paragraphs, line breaks, and horizontal line. Okay, in the previous videos. In this video, we'll learn few more like bold, okay, italic, underline, strike, superscript, subscript, center. Okay, so these are the important ones. There are many formatting tags, but these are the most important ones, so we'll learn these tags now. Okay, first bold. All right, for bold it's very simple. Opening tag and closing tag, and anything that is in between these elements or these tags is displayed in bold. All right, hi there. All right, I saved that. See here, hi there, it's displayed in bold. Let me just remove this bold and now this is not in bold. Now if I add bold tags here, P and P, that's in bold now. All right, so that's one thing. And italics. Okay, anything which is in between these tags, okay, less than I, greater than sign, less than sign, slash I, greater than sign, anything which is in between these is displayed in italics. Okay, how are you? I'll save that. Okay, see there, it's slightly curved, it's slightly inclined, not curved, inclined. That's italic. Let me add a line break here so that it's more clear. All right, so that's italic. Line break again. What next? Underline text. Okay, so for underline text, tag we use is U. All right, so anything that is in between these tags is displayed with an underline. Okay, displayed with an underline. Either how are you? What can I add? I am Shaikh Shahwali, that's my name in case you are wondering. So see that's okay, there's an underline. Line break again. And what next? What next? Strike, right? Strike, STRIKE, strike. Okay, anything that is in between strike is displayed with a line through the text. All right, okay, see there, a nut job. Line break again. So what next? Superscript and subscript. Okay, for that we use sup for superscript. Okay, and I'll add some normal text here, like normal text and subscript, sub. Okay, subscript. Okay, this sup, these two sup tags are for subscript, and these two are for these two sup tags are for superscripts, and these two sub tags are for subscript. Okay, opening tag, closing tag, opening tag, closing tag. Okay, so let me write something here. Super here and sub here. Okay, I'll save that and refresh. See here, I'll enlarge this. Okay, this is superscript. Okay, and this is a normal text again and subscript. All right, so I zoom that. Now those are some of the formatting tags in HTML. And what else, which one, let me add another line break here. And center tag, yes, one of the most important tags, center tag. Okay, so anything that is in this, in between the center tags, is displayed in center. Okay, like this, I am in the center of page. Okay, I'll save that and refresh it. See, I am in the center of page. Okay, so those are some of the formatting tags in HTML. I mean, these are some of the most important tags in HTML, formatting tags in HTML. All right, bold, italic, underline, strike. Okay, superscript, subscript, and center. Okay, so that's all in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.